Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. My name is Sishi Esley. Welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, kindly subscribe, share and like my video. So I'm doing a mini update of my house and shopping haul and the things that I've added. Hapa for now because I haven't kuna I've ordered it haijafika and others bado sijamaliza kununua, but I'm doing just a mini shopping haul. So I bought these dahlias for 10 shillings. Bear with the background noise. This one for 30 shillings. I have oranges for 20 shillings. Mango for 30 shillings. Carrots for 20 shillings. Yeah, this one I don't remember, for 10 shillings. Then I have onions, 35 for for 80 shillings. This one for 40 shillings. Then tomatoes for 25 shillings. Nyanya is at 35, so like this. Minji for 60 shillings for 1 kilo. So like that. This one is 10 for 120 shillings. Ini 25 shillings, half a kilo if I'm not wrong. Yeah? And then rice, 3 kgs, 150 shillings, zile ya Kang'ore. Yeah? Kuna toothpick, kuna tomato iko hapa I bought, and kuna nini nyingine, kuna something missing here, zile I don't know kwenye ziko. Yes, they are here. These ones for 25 each, 20 shillings. Alafu sasa nitafanya, I will show you things that I have added for the house. That include this garlic press. I bought it at 250. Hebu niambieni kama nimegonga. So these are the new things that I've added for my house. This mosquito net. Nimekuwa nikideal na mosquitoes. So I got these for 350. Yeah. And then from this, if you check closely, you will see some cuttings on the chopping board. So I did some practical on it, and I saw at times we are eating plastics from this one, putting it in our food, which is not healthy on our bodies. So I am changing these. Mostly kama unachop vitu zenye you have to use your energy. I'm changing these to this for, I bought it for 400 shillings. Yeah. And then pan, I was using a non-stick. So unaona the peeling. This peeling is not healthy. I changed. No, I'm changing to this one. It is not clean. Ilikuwa imepika, so this it is good, but inataka kama unapika vitu mingi, hisi kitu unapika kitu kidogo, hisi ina hit huko. So inataka kama unapika kitu mingi, it won't do like this. So it is a good purchase. It is good. Nime scrub mara kadhaa na hii part ya ndani haitoki, so it's a good purchase, but zinataka if you're cooking it bulk things with this pan. If you are unataka kupika kuseme like 1 or 2 eggs to fry them, maybe you can have a smaller pan but heavier than this. This is good if you are cooking a lot of things like greens in it, making sauce, fish in it. It is good for it. So it is not a bad purchase for me. So I'm like, yeah, I will get a smaller one for things like if I'm prepping nini kidogo. Yeah. So I forgot, I want to make matokes right now. Nimenunua matokes at 30 shillings. So I'm prepping matokes. Then iron box ikikuja, I will show you the type that I've got. But nilinunua kitu cha nishikilia, so yeah, that is what's up. So I don't know if I will tag you when I'm doing cleaning, but I will show you maybe snippets. Then I will like me finishing doing the cleaning. forgot to show you. I use, before I moved to this house, I had this cylinder, but nilikuwa nimepewa mtu, so haikuwa na mimi for like 2 years. So nilichukua, then I bought this. Ndio hii nilitoa cause I thought hii ndogo hapa, I thought hii ndogo nikuisha ilikuwa inaisha. So nilitoa, ilikuwa kwa hii box. So nilichukua hii yangu kubwa, then I bought a jiko, nimetumia once. So those are the additional things that I've added. This is my last parcel that I was told. I told you that I'm waiting for. So this is the iron box. I purchased it from Kilimall. So nilikuwa nimefungua huku juu. Yep. Earlier. So this is the iron box. It's like heavy. So let us unbox it. Ndio hii. Ndio hii. So here's the iron box. Inakaa hivi. This is how it looks. So this is the iron box. I got it for 600 and something. Yeah, 600 and something. So it can serve for the time being. Yeah. Alafu the last thing, last but not least, nilitengeneza sabuni. Sijaonyesha like the final product. Ndio hii kwa bucket. So hii ndio sabuni ya maji nilitengeneza. But ukitaka kuona videos ziko hapo nyuma nikitengeneza, but this is the final product kama Povisha Tulia. So yeah, that's it. Let me see you on another vlog. Bye.